how to DM direct message someone on Instagram. What's up everybody, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. This is Amir Khan. You are watching Android Technology YouTube channel. In this Instagram video tutorial today I'm going to show you guys how to DM someone on Instagram. So you just watch this complete video. I will step by step teach you guys how to do this. So guys, first of all, only you just need to open an Instagram app that you have already installed on your Android device. So guys, make sure you have logged in an Instagram app by using your Instagram account. So guys, as you see, my Instagram is open, and now I just want to show you guys how to DM someone. So guys, if you want to direct message on someone, so on the top right corner of the screen here you see a direct. So guys, if you want to send a direct message, so once again you just need to tap on this plus icon. So guys, if you want to send someone message directly, so you just select people, and so guys, after selecting some people, you just need to write a message that you want to send. So guys, as you see, I have selected some people and I just want to write something, and after typing you will be just tap on send button. So guys, as you see, my message is directly sent to multiple people that I have recently selected. So guys, this is the very simple way to DM someone on Instagram, and this is the method which helps you to communicate with each other. And I hope guys you enjoy this video, and if you get the more videos regarding Instagram, so you just subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.